Hey everybody, Derek here, and I'm about to make my coconut collagen keto coffee. First thing you need in any coffee recipe is good coffee. Good coffee means freshly ground and brewed. 8 ounces of coffee is what we're using here. Gonna put it in your blender cup. Now today I'm gonna be making a vanilla latte. So I'm gonna put in some Califia Farms almond milk creamer, 2 tablespoons. We'll call that 1. And I'll call that 2. And for our vanilla flavoring, we've got Simply Organic Pure Vanilla Extract. You can get both of these on LuckyVitamin.com. I'm going to do half a teaspoon. I don't know how to measure that, so that kind of looks like half a teaspoon. All right. So that's what's going to make this a vanilla latte. Now we're going to add our LuckyVitamin coconut oil, 1 tablespoon. If you dip it into the hot coffee, it should slide right off. There we go. All right. Now we're going to put in our LuckyVitamin collagen powder. 2 scoops, 10 grams of protein. So if you're taking this mid-morning or mid-afternoon, this is going to help you feel full. And the MCTs in the coconut oil are those healthy fats that are a great source of energy and also going to help you feel full. Now we're going to bring in 8 drops of our LuckyEats Stevia. All right, and you can increase or reduce that as much as you want. I like a sweet cup of coffee, so 8 drops is what works for me. Now we're gonna tighten on our blender attachment. Drop it on the old magic bullet and let the magic happen. All right, this is my favorite part, because as you untwist this, the air escapes and you get a nice frothy head to this cup of coffee. Now I don't normally drink out of glass, but I'm gonna pour it in here just for you all to see how creamy it comes out. And as it settles, again, you get that nice foamy top, kind of like a latte. Cheers. That's really good. People that are starting a keto diet often feel tired after the carbs start leaving their body. So the caffeine in this coffee plus the healthy MCTs in the coconut oil are really going to help you on your way towards that keto goal.